welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to explain you about NVL function. So for NVL function stands for null values. So what it does is wherever your column value is null, it will replace it with the specified value. Okay, now what it means, let me tell you. Okay, let's comment this. Let's select I have customer table. From this customer table, so this is my customer table. I will select customer name, then I will select the city, customer. Okay, let's execute this query and you got this. So customer name, I have given this particular alias, that is name, so it is showing over your name, and these are my names, customer names, and their respected city. Okay, now we don't want this, let's remove it. Okay, so let's execute the NVL function. NVL. Okay, now NVL function is of two parameters. Okay, so here you have to specify the parameter. First parameter is your whichever column you have the null value. Suppose I am selecting city, and it city and see like this. Okay, so let me enter. Let's give this as new record, column alias as new record. Okay, you have to put it in double quotes. Okay, so you got this new record, and you can see wherever this function, like concentrate on this function now, city. In column 2 you can see city, where there is null values. In record 6, 7 and 9 there are null values, there is no city. Okay, so what I'll do, NVL function, what it does is it will replace the null values with 0. So as you can see in the new record, it has got updated to 0. Okay, so this is the NVL function. What this means is wherever there is in this is the column name city, wherever the column city has null values, NVL stands for null values, wherever the column name city has null values, replace it with 0 or any other thing which you want. I can also specify here no city. Okay, no city, like this I can write. Okay, now you can execute this query. You will get to know, see this null value, we have entered no city over here, right? So this line means like this, wherever the city value is null, replace it with no city. Okay, this is the simple NVL function. Now let's talk about the NVL2 function. So first of all, NVL2 has three parameters. Okay, 3 parameters. Now let's select the same query, and in place of NVL I will write NVL2. Okay, 3 parameters, so we have to add one more parameter over here. So we'll write like, let's say UK, United Kingdom. Okay, United Kingdom, new record from customers. Okay, let's execute this query. Now you can see this is the NVL2 function. Now in NVL2 function, what you can see is wherever, what this means. Okay, focus on this part. NVL2. So wherever the city, if the city value is null, it will directly jump to the this one, third parameter. You have 3 parameters, right? So remember 1 and 3 combination. 1 and 3. So if the city value is null, as you can see this value is null, replace it with no city. No city. Okay, for these 3 records, 6, 7 and 9. Perfect. Okay, now focus on this second parameter. Now if the city value is present, like in the column number 2 you can see Mumbai, Pune, Surat, Panji, New York, city values were present right earlier. Now we will update it to UK. All this, wherever the city value was present earlier, replace it to UK. So all got replaced to UK, right? As you can see, this is the NVL2 function. Simple. So this was the main difference between NVL and NVL2. I hope you like this video, and if you want, this is just a select statement. Like we can create table, new customer, else, and you can save it in your new table. Execute this. A new table got created. Let's start from this table. You can see the updated. We have created one table. We are just we have selected this statement, and we have copied this record to the new table called new customer. Okay, so here we have the new customer. That's all. Thank you. The main part was to tell you about the NVL function and the NVL2 function. I hope this video was useful for you. Thank you so much for listening. See you in the next one.